Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss function. So first of all, definition of function. A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function. A function is denoted by small f. Symbolically, we can denote it by small f. So we can denote it f from that means like this symbol, set A to a set B. That means we can return f from A to B. Now a relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay. Once again, every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. So what is the meaning of image? So suppose if f is a function from A to B, right? We can return like f from A tends to B, and open interval A comma B belongs to f. That means order pair of A comma B belongs to f. Then f of A is equal to B, where B is called the image of A under f, and A is called the pre-image in set B. That means B is called the image of A and A is called the pre-image of set B. Once again, here f is a function from A to B. Now A order pair A comma B belongs to f. Then f of A is equal to, we get B. So here B is called the image under f of A under f, and A is called the pre-image. That means B is called the image of A and A is called the pre-image in set B. Okay, now we can take one example and discuss this set is a function or not. So first of all, here we can take example. Suppose f from set of 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 7, right? This type of order pair is present. Now, is this example means if this relation is a function or not? So how can we say that? So see here position of domain. Here no any element repeat in this domain. एक भी एलिमेंट यहाँ रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है, सो वी कैन से दैट दिस इज द फंक्शन. आपको ध्यान क्या रखना है फंक्शन में कि इसके डोमेन पोजीशन है उसमें कोई भी नंबर रिपीट होना नहीं चाहिए. सपोज ओके, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड यूजिंग बाय दिस डायग्राम. सपोज सेट A and set B. In set A, 3 element is present, 1, 2 and 3, and in set B here present 2, 5 and 7. तो आपको ध्यान ये रखना है डोमेन पोजीशन पे कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? तो 1 का रिलेशन 2, 2 is relation to 5 and 3 is relation to 7. Okay, now we can take one more example. F from set of 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, right? So is this function? So yes, this one is also function. See here, 1, 2 and 3 domain position, no any element repeat here. So here 1, 2, 3 is present. Here 2, 4, only 2 element is present, and 3 is also going from the means image is 4, right? So here domain position 1, 2, 3 is present. 1 is a function, it means we get range is 2. Here 2, range is 4, 3 is also here we get range is 4, right? बट आपको देखना है फंक्शन के लिए ये जो पोजीशन है मीन्स यहाँ 1 से यूनिक पोजीशन मिलती है, यूनिक रिलेशन मिलता है 2 इन 2 एंड 3 का रिलेशन होता है 4, सो दिस टर्म इज ऑल्सो फंक्शन. नाउ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज हियर 1,3 1,5 2,6 3,7. So now this one is a function, so this one is not a function because our definition is every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Now here we get two images, right? Here not one and only one image. That means वंस अगेन आपको याद क्या रखना है, आपको ध्यान क्या रखना है कि डोमेन की पोजीशन में कोई नंबर रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ डोमेन की पोजीशन है उसमें 1 है, वो 2 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है. और डेफिनेशन इज डोमेन पोजीशन पर सेट ए की पोजीशन पर ओनली वन एंड ओनली वन एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. और यहाँ डोमेन पोजीशन है सेट ए की पोजीशन में, यहाँ 2 एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट, सो दिस वन इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पोजीशन इज अ फंक्शन. क्लियर? इसको हम वेन डायग्राम मीन्स ये डायग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करें तो इसकी पोजीशन ऐसी रहेगी. इन सेट ए 1, 2 and 3 element is present, and in set B here 4 element is present, so 3, 5, 6 and 7. Now 1 is relation to 3, so here we can return this. 1 is relation to 5. ओके, तो ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन है नहीं बनना चाहिए. ओके, या नाउ 2 इज रिलेशन टू 6, 3 इज रिलेशन टू 6. अगर यहाँ ये कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है रेंज की साइड, सो इट्स ओके. बट इन केस ऑफ डोमेन हियर 1 and only one in set A, 1 and only one image in set B, and here we get 2 image in set B, so this one is not our function. Clear? Okay, now in exercise 2.3 discuss question number 1. Exercise 2.3 question number 1. Our question is write the following relation are function, give reason. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. So first question, set of 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Okay. So this relation is a function. So first of all check out the position of domain. Here no any element remain means repeat. So here we can say that this set with this element we can say that x, and second element we can say that in form of y. So here we can say that all the value of x are distinct. Okay, each value of x are unique value. So here we can return all values of x are distinct. Okay, so this relation are function. Now our second question is find out the domain and range. So here domain is equal to, here we get 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. So here we get domain is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. And range is equal to, here in each and every position, here range is present only one element. So range is equal to set of 1 and domain is equal to, here we get this 6 element. So here in the position of the value of x are distinct, here that means position of the value of x is unique position, right? So that's why we can say that this relation are function. Now domain, that means here we can return first position of this order pair, and range, that means here second position of this order pair, here one is repeated in all these 6 positions, so we can return only one time. Now second question. Second one, set of 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6 and 14, 7 set over. Now our question is this function. So again here check out the position of first position, that means position of x. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 and 14. So here no any element repeat in this position. So again here we can say that all the values of x are distinct. So this relation are function. Now our next question, find out the domain and range. So here domain is equal to set of, here we can return 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and in position of range here return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this relation is a function. Now domain, that means we can return in this order pair. First position is our domain and second position is our range. Third question. Set of 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Now our question is this relation is function. So our answer is this relation is not a function. Why? Because the position of 1 is repeat, means here not a unique position. Okay, so we can say that this relation is not a function and this relation is not a function, so we get not a domain and range of this term. Okay, so see here the position of set A and position of set B. Here in position of set A and here 2 element is present, 1 and 2, and position of set B, here 3 and 5, 2 element is present in set B. Now the relation of set 1 is 3, again relation of 1 is 5. So here relation of element of 1 is 3 and here 5. So our definition in set A, one and only one unique relation. But here we get not unique relation, so this one is not a function. So our answer is the relation is not a function because there is the element of 1 which associated 2 element 3 and 5. So this one is not a function. Clear?